Bonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Mina ke ingane yamakhehla amadala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. Namuhla, I want to respond to comments. Someone had asked me about Ukubhodla and then Ukuzamula as uyingane yesithunywa. You know, iy'ngilosi zethu, izithunywa zethu, they communicate with us differently. So abantu mabalokole besibuza ukuthi ukubhodla kuyahambelana yini noma uyingane yesithunywa. Ukubhodla kwethu akufani nokubhodla kwabantu aba-traditional, if I can just put it like that. Why ngizosho kanjalo? Mawubhodla, like most of the time ngiyabhodla mina, kodwa ukubhodla kwami angithi iya, like we normally see izangoma ziyenza. Ngeke ungizwe ngithi iya, like mangibhodla nje I just brr, like a lion. Like a lion, like, you know, vele ngibhodla. And ukubhodla kwethu siyingane zesithunywa kwenzakala bakwenze njani. And you need to take it as communication ukubhodla, because of it is communication. So siyahluka. You need to study yourself ukuthi ngibhodla makwenze njani, because it's not like when every day you're like like uyabhodla. It's not like you do it every day. I'll just make an example. Water is my element. After drinking water, I can burp. Mangiceda ukusebenzisa amanzi, maybe I was in the water, maybe I was taking a shower, I was taking a bath. Mangiphuma lapho, I burp. So burping is a form of the inner person appreciating what you've just done. Unokubona umuntu makaceda ukudla uyabhodla. Nengane mayiceda ukudliswa yenzani? Iyabhodliswa. So that the inner person shows appreciation, goes get right, ngisuthi. But let's say you are not eating now and you're probably doing your daily activities. Like for example, I just made an example ukuthi mina ngizothi mangiqeda ukuphuma eshaweni or mangiqeda ukugeza, or when I'm actually teaching people, or when I'm doing a video, ngivele nje ngibhodle. Kusuke kuchaza ukuthi ikhose engihamba nalo likhona linami liphakeme liyavuma lithi yebo, and appreciates what I'm doing. You can be sitting in a random space, like it recently happened to me at work. Ngihleli, but all of a sudden ngabhodla. But I was like, but the way ngibhodle ngakhona, I was like, it's not harsh, it's not bad. I'm trying to understand it. Why am I just burping? I'm about to get a message. So you as ingane yesithunywa, you need to study the patterns. When do you burp? Ubhodla makwenze njani? Because of I have someone that I know that burps. Oh, bodla and uyabhodla like brr, and it's almost every day. I even said to the person, no, you don't have to take it bad. It's the inner you that appreciates, but the inner you probably wants to talk, wants you to give yourself attention to yourself, because of umuyingane yesithunywa, umoya olowengilo sungaphakathi kuwena. So usubhodla uyaphakama uphakama kuwena, and njengoba uphakama ke now you need to allow it. You know, you burp, you accept it. That's it. Hayi ukuthi kuzolokola ukuthi lokho uxolisa apologize for you burping. No. Sikuthatha ukubhodla as a form of communication. Hence I'm saying kunabantu abavele babhodla. Maybe there's something wrong kuleyo ndawo, and after lokho kubhodla lokho kukhona into azoyibona, kukhona into azoyikhuluma after that. Ubhodle nje ubuqeda ukudla, it shows that you appreciate the food or you just did something. Most of the time when ukubhodla kwami, it shows that amakhehle ngihamba nawo, they appreciate what I'm doing. Because of I could be lazy the whole day, but can I tell you something? Mangi ngageza, ngiphume emanzini, ngizizwa ngithi meaning the inner me now just says thank you. So don't take it in a bad way and don't be surprised. Masikhuluma ngesithunywa, sikhuluma ngeengilosi, sikhuluma ngomoya oyingcwele, uNkulunkulu asinike wona. Uyakhetha uNkulunkulu. Mike khethile uhamba nawo lo moya, umoya ongcwele, umoya opure, ukuthi ukwazi ukukhuleka, ukwazi ukusiza abantu. And ukhumbule, you have direct communication nomveli. Ngoba you've got this direct communication nomveli. Yes, abanye abantu bazothi, why ke ngibhodla? Ukhumbule phela ukuthi yes, you are gifted directly by God, but kunezinye iy'ngilosi ohamba nazo. You've got your forefathers walking with you. So bangavela kuwena, bangaqubuka kuwena. It depends ngobizo lwakho. It depends how special, how unique you are. Akusho phela ukuthi mawunesithunywa kuphelela lapho. I think I've explained this in my other videos, but to the person who's asked ukubhodla is not a bad thing. But uma uyingane yesithunywa, awubhodli njengalabantu laba bathi iyo ay cha. Angikhumbuli ingane yesithunywa yenza lokho ukuthi iyo you just you allow it, you accept it, and you pay attention ukuthi mina ngibhodla makwenze njani. Because of back in the day bengasiye nomuntu obhodlayo, but recently ngumuntu obhodlayo. Fine, khuleka, try to understand ukuthi when and how this thing happens. Because every time mina mangibhodla, I will just say makhosi amadala, makhosi amakhulu, makhosi amahle, because I understand ukuthi ngihamba nobani ngoba sengambulelwe. So wena ongakawambulelwe usalindile, qhubeka ukhuleke. Ukubhodla, there's nothing wrong ngokubhodla. Ingilosi yakho isuke i-communicator, ingilosi yakho isike iphakeme at that time. Umoya okuphethe uyasho ukuthi ngikhona manje ngiphakeme kuwena. And then even nalento yokuzamula, ukuzamula, you're not tired but uhlezi uzamula. Ingilosi yakho le, ingilosi yakho. And most of the time examuleni kwakho abantu abanokuzamula, sometimes abanye abantu abanokushaya nje baphathwe isithongwana nje ukulala. Kodwa ukulala kwabo akusuke ukulala lokhu kokuthi nje ulele, ukulala because of ingilosi ifuna ukukhuluma nawe. Ingilosi ifuna ukubonisa a vision, whether you are sleeping, closing your eyes, or whether awulelanga ubhekile nje, but kube nento ekufikela emqondweni wakho, uzibuza ukuthi why ngicabanga about this particular person, or why am I thinking about this situation? What is God trying to show me? To be quite honest, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, but I'm having a reflection right now as I'm sharing this video, because of where I work. I know ukuthi kuningi nje engiklusayo, to be quite honest, but ngizokutshela ukuthi when I was burping, when I said burp, immediately after doing that, kukhona into evele, like kukhona into evele yathi kumina, sukuma la uhleli khona, uphumele ngaphandle ushawa umoya. Ngaphuma vele, and it was raining this past week. Ngaphuma ngaye emvuleni, yashaya imvula, mangicedile ngabuya. So, and I'm just like, okay, now I get it every time ngizwa ukubhodla. And hayi ukuthi ngibhodliswa ukuthi ngiceda ukudla or ngiphuzwa amanzi, just nje ngibhodle. Ingilosi yami iyangibonisa ukuthi ngikhona, ngimi nawe, sengiphakeme kuwena. Or kukhona nje, there's a message engizoyithola. So even with you wena obhodlayo, thina siyingane zesithunywa, abantu abathandazayo, asibhodli njengabantu bezangoma abazothi ay cha. Ngoba even with me when I burp nicely. I'm not saying they burp wrongly, but I'm just saying I just brr. That's it. Ngeke ngize ube mude kakhulu. Cha 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 cha. Awubi mude umbhodlo wami uvele nje ube right. And then that's it. So now as umuntu obhodlayo, maybe it frustrates you, maybe it worries you. Umoya ongaphakathi kuwena ufuna ukuthi uku-acknowledge, uwamukele. Ngoba ubhodla nje, there is nothing wrong. You just continue to pray, but be a person who studies yourself. Be aware of yourself. Ukuthi mina ngibhodla makwenze njani mara. Yabo? Because you drink water, you burp. You eat, uyabhodla. You are talking, you're in an argument, or you're teaching, or you're saying, talking to someone, then all of a sudden uyabhodla. Umoya ongaphakathi kuwena uphakeme. So it's a sign which the spirit has taken over now. It's no longer just you, but the person, the inner you, has also taken up space. So to the person who's asked this question, thank you so much, because nami ngiyabhodla nje, ngiyabhodla esikhathini esiningi. Don't take it bad. It's good. It's communication. You just need to study that communication. Akubo ubumbano nozwano nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.